Find the mean absolute deviation of the given set of data. So to find the mean absolute deviation, we need to complete 3 steps. The first step is to find the mean. The mean, we can add up all the given data points and then divide by how many there are. So we're finding the sum of 9.5 plus 9 plus 8.25 plus 9.25 plus 8 plus 8.5, and then we're dividing by 6. So that will be a sum of 52.5 divided by 6, so our mean will be 8.75. The second step is to create a table that takes one column as our data points. The other column is then going to be the absolute value of the data point minus the mean. So we have 6 rows because we need one for each data point. So we'll have the 9.5 means we're taking the absolute value of 9.5 minus 8.75. So that will give us 0.75. The second row will be 9 as our data point. So the absolute value of 9 minus 8.75 is going to give us 0.25. Then we have our data point. We're going to do the same for 8.25, 9.25, 8, and 8.5. So we'll do the absolute value of 8.25 minus 8.75. The absolute value of 9.25 minus 8.75. The absolute value of 8 minus 8.75. And the absolute value of 8.5 minus 8.75. So that will going back and filling in, that will give us, so we have 0.75, 0.25, that would be 0.5, 0.5, 0.75, and 0.25. So again, in step 2, we've taken each data point and subtracted the mean we calculated and taken the absolute value. The third step is to then find the mean or average of those values. We're going to find the sum of that second column and then divide by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 amounts that there were. So 0.75 plus 0.25 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.75 plus 0.25, that sum is 3, divided by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values we have is going to give us 0.5. So our mean absolute deviation is, again, we found the mean, we made a table showing the difference between the data and the mean, each data point and the mean, and then those differences, we found the mean or the average of those to get 0.5. So the mean absolute deviation would be 0.5 or 50 cents, making our answer choice A.